First of all, it's super important that you apply SweatBlock at night right before going to bed so that it can work its magic while your sweat glands are resting. It's also really important that your armpits are clean and dry. So this means no wetness, no deodorant residue, nothing like that. I personally recommend showering right before you apply SweatBlock, but just make sure you don't shave right before applying it. If you do shave, then make sure you wait 24 hours before applying SweatBlock. Now for the nitty-gritty. Tear and unfold. And remember, you can use this on both underarms. Here you go. Dab it firmly and repeatedly within the hairline. Make sure to get good skin contact and even coverage. And dab it, don't rub it, because rubbing could cause irritation. So after dabbing it on both underarms, you want to keep your arms in the air for a few minutes, usually about 5 minutes, and wait for the SweatBlock formula to dry on the skin. Now you're ready to head to bed. So in the morning, shower again and wash off the SweatBlock formula, but don't worry, it won't diminish the effectiveness. If after the first time that you use it, you're not as dry as you'd like, don't worry. Just try applying another 3 or 4 nights in a row, and once you've found you're dry, then just apply it once a week or as needed. So yeah, that's how easy it is to apply SweatBlock.